Hi, this is Danny Hammond. I'm from Kansas City. I'm part of the Foreclosure Solutions Group, and that's a group that got together because we were having the same problem you were and couldn't find answers. We couldn't afford an attorney, and if we found one we could afford, we couldn't get them to listen to us, and they didn't understand the issues, which is worse than no attorney. So we're kind of advocating that you don't have to use an attorney, and we're finding solutions to what I'm going to say is court bias or prejudice, unintentional maybe, because very few borrowers, a tiny number of borrowers who are going into foreclosure even attempt to fight in court and to save their house and save their family. So one of the craziest thoughts, and it's not crazy at all, it's old, it goes back to the Constitution, is that a judge can't rule unless he has jurisdiction. In other videos, we talk about jurisdiction and why they don't have it. It's because they didn't get standing from your foreclosing party to prove they had the right to collect money from you, much less foreclose. So if a judge makes a decision without jurisdiction, he did that outside the court and outside the court's immunity as a citizen, and you can sue the judge. We may be doing a lot of that, so you can follow us here and you'll be able to see how to do it yourself and how to do videos. But it's going to freak you out to think about it. You're going to freak out for a little while, and then when you realize it's just suing another person for doing something wrong, we're not going to call them criminals. We're just going to say they did wrong and make them back it up. So go back to the site, ask questions, send in the form, and we're going to try to help you get through this. Danny Hammond, thank you.